In this short video, I'll show you how quickly and easily you can create an EBA offer. Click New Offer under the EBA Offer menu. Enter the offer name and select the institution from the drop-down. If the previous year's revenue is missing, enter the revenue amount. In the Budget section, choose the offer type, Ebooks, Journals, or then enter the deposit amount for the EBA deal. The system will automatically calculate scores based on the deposit, revenue, FTE, and country score, and generate the access pool multiplier. If you want a multi-year offer, enable the multi-year option and enter the price cap and loyalty bonus. You can also add terms and conditions if needed. Next, click Save and select Titles to generate the access pool. You can refine the title list by discipline, collection, and publication year, and set the percentage weight for each selection. Once the list is ready, click Preview to view the proposal and download the title list. And that's it. Your EBA offer is ready in just a few minutes.